Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making sure you don't waste your hard-earned cash on something that belongs in the trash. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, and boy, do we have a showdown for you. On the left, we have the ATTOP Drone, the sky's not-so-secret weapon. And on the right, we've got the Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S, the aerial aristocrat. Buckle up, because things are about to get turbulent. Alright, let's talk moolah. The ATTOP drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $109. That's right, folks, less than a fancy dinner date. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone HS360S will set you back $209. For that price, it better cook me dinner and fly me to the moon. Next up, cameras. The ATTOP drone boasts a 1080p 120 degrees FOV camera. It's like having a GoPro on a budget, perfect for capturing those, "Hey look, I can fly" moments. Reviewers appreciate its decent picture quality for the price. An NBUT Holy Stone. It's packing a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. That's right, 4K. You could practically count the freckles on your neighbor's face from 10,000 feet away. Reviewers rave about its high-quality footage, making it perfect for serious photography and videography. Now, let's talk about staying power. The ATTOP drone comes with 3 batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. That's 3 times the fun before you crash it into a tree. Reviewers mention its short battery life, but appreciate the extra batteries. Shown NTHE, Holy Stone HS360S, on the other hand, gives you 20 minutes per flight. 1 battery, 1 epic flight. It's like comparing a marathon runner to a sprinter. Reviewers note its reliable performance and decent battery life for its class. Range. The ATTOP drone gives you a decent 196 to 292 feet. Perfect for spying on your backyard barbecue. Reviewers find this range satisfactory for casual use. An NBUT Holy Stone laughs in the face of such short distances with a staggering 10,000 feet range. You could practically send it to get your groceries from the next town over. Just don't forget to tip your drone. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its long-range capabilities. Features, baby! The ATTOP drone is like a Swiss Army knife of fun. 1 key return, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, voice control, and even AV gesture for selfies. It's like the drone is your personal assistant. Reviewers love its array of features, especially for the price. And Holy Stone, however, is like the Tesla of drones. It's got GPS, follow me, waypoint flight, point of interest, and even modes like spiral up and catapult. It practically flies itself while you sit back and sip your coffee. Talk about luxury. Reviewers highlight its advanced features and ease of use, making it a top choice for serious users. The ATTOP drone is great for beginners. 1 key start landing, headless mode, and even an emergency stop. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels. Reviewers find it easy to operate and durable, though some note occasional malfunctions. And Holy Stone goes a step further with its intelligent control system and beginner mode. It's like having a drone instructor in your pocket. So even if you're a newbie, you'll feel like an aerial ace in no time. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly design and stability in flight. Overall, the ATTOP drone is praised for its affordability, decent camera, and ease of use, though some users report occasional malfunctions. The Holystone HS360S receives high marks for its advanced features, exceptional camera quality, and user-friendly design, making it a favorite among serious drone enthusiasts and beginners alike. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP Drone is your fun, budget-friendly option, perfect for beginners and those who like to keep things simple. Meanwhile, the Holystone HS360S is the high-flying luxury choice for those who want all the bells and whistles. ASN. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, if you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. N. Catch you later, smart shoppers.